Welcome to the Screezy how-to video for the iPhone 5 battery replacement. Your Screezy battery replacement kit contains everything needed for this repair. To purchase any of our repair kits, visit Screezy.com. Let's get started by powering off the device. Using the 5-star pendulum screwdriver, remove the 2 bottom screws near the charging dock. Using the metal opening pry tool, insert between the screen and the frame of the phone, inserting just enough to reach underneath the screen. Work the pry tool around the screen if needed to eventually pry the screen loose and lift to a 90-degree angle. The metal box on the bottom right is magnetic and can be used to magnetize your screwdriver. Keep in mind, always be gentle with internal components while repairing the device. Using the Phillips head screwdriver, remove the 3 screws on top of the upper right metal shield. Set the metal shield to the side. Using the small plastic spudger, remove the 3 clips connecting the screen to the logic board. Once all 3 clips are removed, remove the screen and set it to the side. Next, we will be removing the battery. Using the Phillips head screwdriver, remove the 2 screws over the lower battery shield. Set the metal shield to the side. With the shield removed, use your spudger to unclip the battery connector cable from the logic board. The battery is glued to the back of the phone and will need to be pried out. Use your spudger to pry between the frame and the battery, loosening it until it can be freed. When prying, be careful to avoid the area near your side volume and mute buttons. With the battery freed, set it to the side. Place the Screezy replacement battery into the phone's battery slot. Once in place, set the battery clip back into the socket on the logic board. With the battery clipped in, set the lower metal shield back over the battery cable and secure with the 2 Phillips head screws. We will be reversing the steps now. First, by plugging in the 3 screen clips back into the logic board. Place the metal shield back on top of the 3 clips and align the screw holes over their spots on the logic board. Using the magnetized Phillips head screwdriver, place each screw on the tip of the screwdriver and screw the 3 screws back into the metal shield. With the screen now reattached to the logic board, now we just need to reset it back into the frame. Insert the top of the screen into the frame first, making sure the top is secured in the frame before you then go down and around the sides of the screen to secure all the sides. With the screen secure, use the pentalobe screwdriver to screw back in the 2 pentalobe screws near the charging dock. The battery replacement is finished. You can now power on the device.